Alabama is seeing an increase in COVID-19 cases, and North Alabama is largely a hotspot for virus transmission.
Now, positive test rates are hovering just below 30%. It's a figure not seen here since early February.
News 19 Chief Investigative Reporter Brian Lawson joining us now in the studio. Brian, I know you talked with state and local hospital officials today. How worried are they about a summer spike?
Well, as you said, the numbers are rising. Huntsville Hospital is up to 62 COVID patients today, but there are also some favorable signs related to the severity of the illness hospitals are seeing. I was told today what's looming doesn't feel as severe as what we saw last summer.
Hospitalizations over the last month have more than doubled. But if you compare the rate of increase in hospitalizations now with what we saw with Omicron in January or with Delta last fall, our rate of increase is dramatically slower.
At Huntsville Hospital, COVID patients have also doubled in a month.
We have noticed that since vaccines have been out there and boosters have been out there, that the severe sickness is not followed like it did last year. By us only having 7 in the ICU and 3 in the ventilator is a testament to the vaccines and boosters are helping prevent severe illness. Might not prevent you from getting it, but it's preventing the severe illness where you're on the ICU and on the ventilator.
Statewide, the COVID patient profile is pretty clear.
Where the difference really is demonstrable is in people who had been boosted. Only 16% of people who are in the hospital have been boosted.
Huntsville Hospital's Doty says they also know far more today about treating COVID patients.
The monoclonal antibodies that didn't exist 2 years ago. We've learned more about proning patients, how to turn them and keep their lungs working as optimal as possible. We've learned more about ventilator settings and how to optimize those. But also our ER physicians and citizens have learned when to come to the hospital, when to be admitted. So 2 years ago, not knowing how to treat patients, we can send patients home safely today that we didn't 2 years ago. So, if this was 2 years ago, we probably have over 100 patients in the hospital.
Now, Doty said today Huntsville Hospital's flu and fever clinic is seeing about 50 patients a week for COVID vaccinations and boosters. That includes vaccinations being offered to young children.